right, so let's give it a go. The first thing you want to do is click this link and open up the Pear Deck site that's going to tell you about Google Slides. This is a go-around since we can't add the Chrome extension directly through the App Store. You're going to scroll down and click Get Started. Next, you're going to click Create a Lesson. And it's going to open a Google slide for you. All right. It's going to create a new Google Slides file that you are going to have a copy of. Okay, the next thing that you're going to do is click on Add-ons here. And you should see Pear Deck for Google Slides add-on. Click Open Pear Deck add-on. And this module will appear on the side. So when you create your PowerPoints, just as you normally would in Google Slides, you'll go to Add-ons, Access Pear Deck, and the Pear Deck add-ons here. So this is where you can embed questions into the different slides, and you can start the lesson straight from Google Slides dashboard. You can just select whether it's going to be student paced or instructor paced. And for the sake of this demo, I'll show you instructor paced. And you would share this code with students or give them the direct link and just paste it into the chat box. There's even an option to add it directly to Google Classroom. So that's how easy it is to add Pear Deck to your Google Slides extension.